Hello there and good afternoon. Hallo und guten Tag allemann. Herzlich willkommen zu Tag Nummer 12. Very welcome to day number 12 of my 21 days to boost your German vocabulary. So, day number 12, I'm going to be talking about YouTube and how YouTube can help you to really improve your German vocabulary and target particular topics, particular words. YouTube has got actually a couple of fabulous features I'm not sure if you know about that really do help you in improving your German vocabulary. So let me show you right away. So obviously you've all been on YouTube, I would say, and you pick topics, you pick a movie. The beauty with YouTube is that you can pick a whole movie, you can pick clips of 30 seconds, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, an hour, hour and a half. So you have an amazing variety of length of material. Needless to say, there is a multitude of German material on YouTube. And obviously topics, every topic in the world is on YouTube. So a nice way of learning German is actually by picking a topic that you like. If you're interested in fishing, have a look on fishing, German fishing movies on or clips on YouTube. If you like cars, do the same. If you like boats, do the same. If you like traveling, I mean, anything, any topic, any hobby that you have, pick a movie or pick a clip on YouTube, and then there are different things that you can actually do. So basically, let me share, I'm going to share my screen, and I just wanted to show you a couple of things here. So basically, I've just picked a clip, and I'm going to play it a little bit, and show you just a couple of features that you can actually use when you're watching a German clip. So here, for example, it's die geheimen Taktiken von Angela Merkel und ihren Leibwächtern. So I would just wanted to pick this and just show you, because sometimes it is a little bit difficult to understand. Sorry, I'm just going to turn it. So it is sometimes very difficult to understand as it's just the normal speed. The first thing that you can do is actually with these videos, add the subtitles. So yes, it's a German video, it gives you the German subtitles, and it just gives you the subtitles not with the capital letters, but still it gives you the words that actually are spoken in the video. So in a way, so you can hear, it's obviously the text is there, and as the text is being spoken, the subtitles appear. As I said, one of the things is you don't have the capitalization, but you still have the words there. Now, the other thing that you can do, and that is so amazing, is if you go into settings and you change the speed of how the video is being played. So let's just listen to the 75, like 0.5. Let's have a look at that. So in this case, we have it at 0.75. Now we can also go slower. Zum Beispiel. Yeah, for example, we have it slower. So the good thing is, for example, if you pick different topics, and sometimes some texts are easier to understand than others. Now, this text, for example, is of a German legal firm, and they do some fantastic videos. And where, if you are in this field, that can be quite difficult for particular words. So let's have a quick listen. The thing is there as well, for example, she has a little bit of a dialect or an accent. It actually sounds really nice. She's from South Germany. And that's also a really great practice of learning different accent, dialects, also how men and women speak. Men and women speak differently. If you only speak to your German tutor, then it's such a great idea to actually listen to other people as well. It really helps you for your speaking. So let's just do this with this lady as well, with the subtitle. So we switch the subtitle on. So one of the things, as you can see with the subtitle, as this lady speaks fairly fast, the subtitles also go really quickly. So again, change the speed. Change the speed to, not to normal, but let's say we go right away to 0.5. Okay, this obviously, I mean, it does sound really, really slow, but you may need it for a couple of parts, you know, so if you have just a 0.75, this is, for example, a very interesting sentence structure as well. So the constructions of the sentences, you can have a little look at it as well. And obviously, if you go forwards and back, you can slowly do it yourself. Just have a look at what she's actually saying. And so really having a look with the subtitle. It is really great to learn words, new words. So what you can do with that, great thing with YouTube is you can add the subtitle, you can slow down the speaking, and you can choose what topic you want to be listening to and what you want to be improving. For example, here a good thing is if you want to learn new words, you don't know the word unabwendbar, for example, which is here. Write it down, have a look at, look it up, and write it onto your cards. Yeah. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the couple of little tips. In this video, I was talking about how YouTube can actively help you to target certain vocabulary that you need to be working on. So all you need to do is pick the topic where you want to learn your vocabulary, put the subtitles on for the video, and slow it down and write down the words if you need to. But the slowing down is absolutely brilliant to start getting to really effectively learn more German words and listening to different voices. It's really, really helpful. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I will see you with my day number 13. Have a great day still. Wunderschönen Tag noch wünsche ich euch allen. Bis dann. Tschüss. Tschüss.